ba yan?
Hello guys!
So, today, ang travel namin is, so where are we going, Alex?
Germany.
Düsseldorf. Düsseldorf. O, yun na yun guys, nabubulol ako. We're going to Düsseldorf, Germany.
Düsseldorf!
O, yun na yun. Kinorek niya ako. Bakit tayo pupunta doon?
Because we're going tomorrow to the airport and then we're going to Philippines.
Yes!
And with Ate Julia will see, and I have one lollipop for Ate Julia and also one more for me.
Yeah. So, magtataka kayo, bakit kami sa Germany manggagaling? Bakit hindi sa...
And my friend in school definitely will miss me because she even
can you open
cried.
music 1 second?
She really cried, guys.
Yung friend niya kasi umiyak kasi nga magbabakasyon si Alec. Anyway, so magtataka kayo, bakit kami sa Germany manggagaling? Bakit hindi na lang sa Netherlands, sa Amsterdam? That's because in Amsterdam, they have a bit still, how you can say, Han? Not a problem. If anyone who watched my our last travel last year in Amsterdam, yung sobrang haba ng pila, it's a disaster. Mas worse pa sa Pilipinas, guys, promise. Actually, ang Clark, maganda ang service eh. So, kasi meron silang parang problema something, so short of staff sila. So, ang case is, walang masyadong immigration officer. So, maghihintay ka talaga ng siyam-siyam. Halos almost 5 hours kami nandun. Ganon, ang haba ng pila. So, ang Düsseldorf, Germany, is 2 hours drive lang naman sa amin. 2 hours and a half. Ang Amsterdam is parang 1 hour and 50 minutes. So, yung kukonsumuhin naming oras sa Amsterdam, instead na ma-stress kami doon, ma-hassle dahil sobrang haba ng pila kasi nga walang mga immigration officers sila, hindi namin alam kung bakit, short sila ng staff. So dito na lang kami sa Germany kasi malapit lang naman sa amin. So bukas yung flight namin. Ayun na nga guys, ang haba ng explanation. Bukas. So see you guys, we'll update you ang aming travel this Christmas sa Pilipinas. Bye-bye! Hotel in Düsseldorf near.
And this is clear.
Malapit to sa airport. So tomorrow, maganda siya. At saka affordable. Malaki din yung bathroom. May
And
bathtub.
there's a bathtub.
And this is the view. Medyo dark today kasi it's rainy. So pagpasok. Ano yun na? Yeah. So maganda siya. Sulit naman. So, dito kami matutulog tonight. And from the airport, Han, how far we are? Like 5-10 minutes, right?
Yeah, maximum 10.
10 minutes. So, hindi kami magmamadali. So, that's why we decide to come here na today kasi mura naman yung hotel. At least, hindi kami magmamadali sa biyahe, especially now.
Traffic tomorrow. We have a little bit traffic jam. Only like 15 minutes delay.
Yeah. But because the weather is unpredictable here as well, so it's either raining too much, and traffic or some accident. So, which is good. And then later, we go to the restaurant down and we'll see. Bye! Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa airport. Tapos na rin namin pabalot nakapakita mo, ang aming luggage. So, every time, pag nagta-travel kami, every year, ayan, laging may ganyan. Alam nyo kung bakit? Iwas na mabuksan yung bag at iwas rin na para hindi sumabog. Kasi minsan, di ba, binabato nila yung luggage, which is Emirates, hindi naman. Pero just para ma-protect lang yung bagahe na hindi mabuksan or hindi sumabog, lagi may wrap na ganyan. Alec, excited?
Yeah! Another travel again.
So, 7 hours flight namin to Dubai,
guys,
tapos
there's
stopover
something
kami.
there. Or in Philippines, it's so cheap to buy toy.
Make it 30 seconds. na from Dubai to Clark. Grabe, iba talaga dito sa Dubai na ano, yung business class. How's your business lunch?
Ah, it's good as usual. I shower.
Shower siya doon. Abo pa, kaya pa?
Wow! Dat is sneller.
Maar je dan veel halen, is maar van. Zal je opgeven? Zo gaan. Kijk ze buiten heen, snel gaan. 1, 2, ja.
Nice view, eh? Nice view, eh?
Hi, Alex. Slow mo talaga. Medyo maingay, no? Nakadating na kami sa Cebu. So, we're waiting. After nito, Clark naman, 55 minutes. Grabe, nakakapagod kayo sa biyahe. Kasi first time namin magbiyahe from
I have a new toy, guys.
Germany to Dubai, then Dubai to Cebu, via Cebu, and then Clark. Kasi normally Dubai to Clark kami. So Dubai via Cebu and then after Clark. So ngayon first time namin kasi di ba nasa Netherlands na kami. So galing kaming Europe to Dubai pa, stopover. Buti na lang may access pa rin si Albert sa business class lounge. Ang business class sa Dubai, wow talaga. So nakakain kami, tapos nakapaligo, toothbrush, ganun. And then nakapagpahinga ng konti. Tapos promise nakakapagod yung biyahe. Pero buti na lang si Alec. Ang natutuwa ako si Alec, nakatulog siya ng mahaba and madami pa siyang energy. Unlike ko, kasi hindi ako masyadong nakakatulog sa flight. Gawa nga kasi guys, natakot ako sa biyahe. Sa aeroplano, o diba? Ang tagal ko na nagbiyahe, more than 20 years. Pero, actually, bumalik siya nung nabuntis ako. O yun, since noon, every time na may biyahe kami, by, by air, andyan na yung anxiety ko. But anyway, so happy. Isang oras na lang. At makakadating na kami sa Clark, Pampanga. Which is good. So, we'll update you.